Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to day 9 of your virtual learning. I gotta say that you guys did really well with your math test yesterday, and we are all so proud of you. You guys have been working so hard, and it's really evident through your work, guys, so keep up the great work. Today, we are going to start up with a mindful minute. Mrs. Gomez just wrote this little blurb saying that life is meant to be enjoyed. So go ahead and play games, laugh, and make memories during this time. Let go of all those negative thoughts. I mean, I know it's really tough being at home and not being able to see your friends or even your teachers that I know you guys miss so much because we miss you guys so much. But just enjoy this time playing with your siblings and spending time with grandparents or your aunt and uncle or your parents even. All right, so this mindfulness is called Let It Go, and you can go ahead and click this link right here to go find some more about that. For math today, we are starting a new chapter, lesson 14-1 today. We're moving on a little bit from perimeter, and we're going to be working with some area of figures today. So the first thing you're going to do is watch this brain pop video. The link is right here. Boys and girls, please, please, please watch this video. It will really help you even later on in this chapter. I know today you might be a little confused with area and the ways it's talking about, but this video will help a lot. There's no quiz on brain pop today, but this video is very important, so go ahead and watch that. Later, you're going to go on to Envisions, and you're going to go to 14-1. Go ahead and watch the develop visual, which is the picture of the eyeball. Watch this video. Next, go get your math workbook, the one that you write in, and turn to reteaching page 14-1. You're going to solve the first 3 problems and type your answers here. Then you're going to go to the practice page 14-1. You're going to answer numbers 1 through 6 here. We just feel that it's a little bit easier just to find your workbook rather than having to go on to Envisions and find the pages there. So just use your workbook. We sent it home for a reason, and this is why. Afterward, you're going to visit Reflex Math for 10 minutes and then practice your 8 math facts for 5 minutes. The flashcard link is right here. All right, for English today. We're going to be doing a Google Meet today at 10 a.m. Woohoo! We're so excited to be able to read the first chapter of Escaping the Giant Wave. So at 10, you're going to log on to Google Classroom and tap on the link and tap on the green join button. Make sure your microphone is on to start, and when Mrs. Gomez says so, she will tell you to go ahead and mute your microphone so that she can read without interruptions. She will be reading that first chapter of that book. We will also today be finding out, this is not on here, but we'll be finding out the name of that cute puppy that's coming today. So that'll be later on today, so keep your eyes open for that. All right, after you do reading, after Mrs. Gomez does the read aloud, you're going to watch the following instruction and video on story structure. So watch this video, and now you can reread chapter 1 of Batty for Bananas from Judy Moody. That's pages 14 through 23. And you're going to fill in the following story structure chart. So characters, you already have some, Judy Moody and Jessica Finch. Then we want to know the main setting, where and when this story is taking place. All right, here you're going to be telling us the main events from chapter 1. What happened in the beginning of the chapter, what happened in the middle of the chapter, and what happened in the end of the chapter. This should be in complete sentences. You would also need to tell us what is the problem of this chapter and how did they solve it by the end of the chapter. Please go ahead and do that now. For spelling, we are asking that you're studying those layer 3 red words. You're going to go ahead and type 5 words that you have not practiced before and type them 5 times. Not 3, you're typing them 5 times. So you should have a total of 25 words written here. All right. Lastly, we're doing science. We're watching another mystery science video. All right, after watching the video, answer the question with at least 3 sentences. Prove your answer and use evidence from the video. This should be a RACES type response. You need to restate the question, answer the question, cite evidence, and explain. Right there, that should be 3 sentences. 1 sentence for restating and answering, 1 sentence for citing your evidence, and 1 sentence for explaining. 3 sentences. You can even add a 4th sentence of a conclusion. You're watching the video, why do dogs wag their tails? And that is the question you are going to be answering. Why do dogs wag their tails? Dogs wag their tails because blah, 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 blah. And continue my sentence. All right, boys and girls, continue doing such great work. We love hearing from you guys. If you have any questions, remember to just go ahead and comment, and we'll be sure to look at those questions and answer as soon as we can. Keep up the great work, guys. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye.